Welcome to BI Knowledge Point. Today I am here to explain you how to create hierarchy through Tableau. Now let's begin. So this is our Tableau desktop. Now I am going to create one simple report and then going to explain you why hierarchy is needed. So I am going to take category by profit and changing data as a tabular so that it is easier way to understand. So now see, we got category by profit. Okay, and if we require to know detail about data where we got category and subcategory, profit or loss, but here if you're going to click, we can't go and see that. For looking depth of that, we require to create the hierarchy. So creating the hierarchy, what we require, come to field on the category side and then right click and you will find here hierarchy. So create hierarchy. Okay, now we created the hierarchy. Now drop and drag subcategory in here. So I'm going to remove this one and bringing data category and subcategory. So now you can see here, oh, by mistake it actually hierarchy, it should be have the first level of the category. Now see, if I'm going to say at present we are able to see only the whole amount of the furniture, but then in last time without creating the hierarchy only this is there. Now we are getting the plus sign. So if you are going to click on the plus sign, you will get category and subcategory. Also for that we can understand, like where in bookcase we are getting minus profit, chair we are getting plus profit, furniture we are getting plus, table again I am going to get minus profit, so that we can understand where is our business, we are getting good profit or not. So this is the benefit to create the hierarchy, depth of the data we can analyze. That's all for today video. Catch you in the next video. Please like and subscribe my channel.